Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to redeem your Roblox gift card on mobile. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on any crucial parts. In saying that, let's begin. Alright, open up any web browser on your mobile device and head over to Google. And inside Google, type in redeem Roblox gift card. And then from here, click on the first result from roblox.com, Roblox gift cards. And then you'll come to this page, and then top right hand corner it should say redeem card, so you want to click into that. It might ask you to log in if you're not, so I need to log in here, so give me a moment to do that. Alright, sign me in, and then you'll come to this page, and then it will say enter your gift card, virtual item or promo code below. So just simply put in that gift card, virtual item or promo code in this code section here. And then once you've done that, click on redeem. And that's it guys for this video, how to redeem your Roblox gift card or promo code. Thanks for watching this tutorial till the very end. If this video helped you, please consider to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.